Hello everybody. My name is Pratik. I am a Business Central or Navision developer. Yeah, to everybody who's watching this video, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Today, the motive of this video is Microsoft Business Central or Microsoft has released a new feature. Yeah, it was released few months back. I found it very helpful. So you will find many videos how this is working, but I wanted to see what's happening in the background. So for this reason, I'm making this video. If you are interested in learning any of the technologies, I will continue to make the videos. Maybe also this is useful for Business Central developers, Navision developers, whosoever wants to see how this property is working. We'll also go through a little bit of SQL in this one. So I want to show you what is this and what's happening here. So let's go. Agenda, yeah, objectives. We have this property which is called optimize text for search, yeah. So what this is doing is, yeah, this is helping or improvising the text search. You can find a lot of videos how this or how to search with this property. So what has happened in the newer versions that are coming after 24 October, they have this feature, so you will be able to see, yeah, there is something like use modern search faster. So you can use this property. This is a property that can be used on the fields. It can be applied to the fields that are of the type code or text. You cannot use it with flow field, flow filter, or calc fields. I will show you how to enable it in Business Central, and I will show you what happens in the background. This is the key point here, what we want to see here. Okay, so what is happening? Yeah, Microsoft has, so this is a new property. You can make it true. You can make it true for any text or code field. If I want to make it true here, optimize for text search. Yeah, I want to make it, let's say, true. It will not allow me to do that, and it will say, okay, this can only be used, yeah, one of the values code or text. So we don't want to do it here. Yeah, what I found out, what's happening in the background. Yeah, so if you go to your SQL, you go to your database, then you go to the storage, and then you have to go here. Yeah, so what is happening in the background is that I will pause the video until unless it takes some time to bring this data, and then I will show you what's happening in the background. Okay, so finally it has opened this table and view, and what I found out is that whenever we are setting this property true, what is happening in the background, you have to navigate to here, to here. You can just go few seconds back in the video, you will be able to see. So when we are making this property to true, system in the SQL is doing something like this. Yeah, it is marking the columns where this property has been marked true. So for example, if we go to customer, we can see it has marked this property true for number, name, name to. We can also see this here. For example, when we go here, if I want to, so I want to do a modern search, I want to say I want to do spot, and then you see all these columns, number, name, phone number, contact. So here you will say number, name, and then contact should be somewhere up. So you see, so all the fields, yeah, that have this property too can be seen here. Now I am wondering, yeah, by default Microsoft is not allowing you to change this property. Yeah, you cannot change this property in customer table. But I am thinking, what will happen if I make it false here? Yeah, this is, I don't know. I have not tried it. If I want to try it, I think it will take some time, but I don't want to try it. Yeah, I don't have, yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to show what's happening in the background. And so we will cancel this because we don't want to do this. Now you saw that we had, I will open it again. Again, it will take some time. Okay, so it has opened this window again. Okay, so what I want to show you is right now we have the table starting from contact customer. So somehow Microsoft has not made it true for all the ledger tables. Yeah, we can see it also through Al Explorer, but yeah, you can see Microsoft has made it true on most of the master tables. I cannot see if Microsoft has included here item ledger entry or some other tables. It has already included item, and so basically for whichever table this property or whichever fields this property is marked true, they can be seen here. Now I will show you the magic. So what happens as soon as I will make this property true in my field? Yeah. So I just yeah, I also want to make it true here. So as soon as I will make it true in my fields, you will be able to see that my table starts appearing here. I have not tried if I can move anything from here to here. I will not try because it takes too much time. So let's see what happens when we mark this item or this property true. Also, in the older version of Navisions, as soon as you created a table, it was available in the database. But yeah, in Business Central, until when you publish, then the table becomes available in the database. Yeah, maybe some of you already know it. For many of us, it will still be good to know. So now I publish my app. It will take some time. So I will pause the video again and I will come back to you as soon as the app is published. So now my app has been published. Now what I want to do, I will refresh the database, yeah, and then I will go in the same, yeah, I will go to this same properties, and then now we want to see that my table should have come here. I will pause again and let the window appear. Okay, so the window has appeared. Now you will see that the table that I tried or I published, yeah, they are available here and you can see the column is here. So both the columns where I marked this property true, here and also here, both the columns are available now in here in the SQL. So yeah, it's still an open question. If somehow if someday I want to turn this off, will I be able to modify Microsoft tables from here? I don't know. I'm not doing it here, but this was a good finding. I wanted to see what's happening in the background. So if you want to see how to use this in the user interface, you will find many videos. Like I said, you can find videos by Howgard or other or Saurav Dhyani, but I wanted to show you what's happening in the background here. So I hope this was a pretty informative session. I hope I have covered everything. So thank you everybody for listening to this, for giving your time into this. And yeah, keep learning. Please like, share, or comment on this video and also on the LinkedIn post where you saw this video. Feel free to comment or reach to me in case you want to know something about Business Central or you have some questions. Thank you everybody for all your time. Bye bye.